Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one it's the quickest one and it requires a secret code, and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. And I'd like to begin with the quickest option, so let's open the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we're provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and now let's scroll down again. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you'd like to check the serial number you have to enter the model, and as you can see the serial number is on the second position. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.